Welcome everyone, my name is Alice. If you're new to this channel, you're warmly welcome. We talk about general lifestyle between Tanzania and Norway. Welcome to subscribe if you're interested to these kinds of lifestyles. Today I'm going to show you how to make ugali. So ugali is a type of flour porridge, very popular in Africa. If you have tried and learn about how to make ugali in different countries, you'll see that they make it in different ways. Others use different kinds of flour, others make it in different consistency. So with this I mean run it to very hard consistency. In Tanzania, where I come from, we make ugali with maize flour. Some few people like to use salt in it. So myself, I use just simply water and maize flour. Ugali can be eaten with meat sauce, beans or sour milk. So in this presentation today, I will make ugali with beef sauce together with spinach. Welcome to see my ingredients. These are all my ingredients that I'm going to use for this meal. There's maize flour and ingredients for the meat sauce. So for the meat sauce, I'm just going to show a little bit on how I made it. I just fry my meat and then I mixed all the tomatoes and carrots and peppers together to make it cook, and then later I put my spinach. This spinach doesn't take so long to cook, so I just add it at the end. So with ugali, the best thing I always do is to make porridge in the beginning. So warm your water. It doesn't need to boil, just a bit warm, and then put a bit of flour to make thin porridge. So with this process, it helps to mix your ugali very well later. Other people prefer to just boil water and then mix their flour in the boiling water, but it's very hard to mix it until it's well mixed. So if you try to make the porridge first, it goes very easy. So mix your porridge and then let it cook. You can put the cover on and let it boil for almost 3 minutes. So when you think that it's done, you can just start adding flour bit by bit. And now it depends on you. If you want your ugali to be very hard, just add more flour. After you add a bit of flour, just taste to see how it feels. But for me, I think I like my ugali to be not too hard. So now if I think that the flour is enough, I just start mixing. So here is the tricky part. You just need to try to mix your ugali very well. When you start with porridge, it's very easy. You can see my ugali is already very well mixed, and it doesn't have these lumps of uncooked flour. When you mix it for a while, 3-4 minutes, you can just make flat on top, so you let it cook. So the maximum time for making ugali like this is just 15 minutes. So after a few minutes, you just open the pot and then start mixing again. And now you can see I'm trying to see if my ugali is cooked. So I will try to hold it on my spoon, and if it doesn't hold, then it's done. If the ugali doesn't hold on your pot, then it's also done. So I'm just trying to mix it for the last time before I start saving it on the plates. You can see it doesn't stick at all. So now you can just put it on your plate, ready to eat. So guys, ugali is very easy food to make. For those guys who have traveled to Africa and they've tasted and like it, you can just easily make it here in Norway or anywhere else. There you go, my food is ready. It's very delicious. If you're new to this channel and you want to try this recipe, please comment below and tell me what you think. Until next time, bye!